Tofu is a food made of condensed soy milk that is pressed into solid white blocks in a process quite similar to cheese making. It originated in China. Tofu is low in calories but high in protein and fat. It also contains many important vitamins and minerals. I have here a block of tofu which I will cut into cubes. Well, you may cut it into your desired shape and size. When that's done, set it aside. I'll cut a stalk of spring onions into smaller pieces. Mince half of a medium-sized red onion. I prefer red onion for this recipe because I wanted a more intense taste. And 1 red chili. Feel free to go for more according to your tolerance of spiciness. Now let's prepare our simple sauce. Just mix vinegar, soy sauce, and water of equal amounts, and a little bit of sugar to balance the taste. And freshly cracked black pepper. Just mix it well until the sugar has dissolved and set it aside. And for our next step, in a plate, let's combine cornstarch, potato starch, but you may use all cornstarch, and a pinch of salt for a little taste. And my obsession for paprika goes again. Well, it is optional. Just mix all the dry ingredients well. And let's coat one by one our cubed tofu. After coating all the cubed tofu, these are ready for frying. Make sure your oil is hot to avoid your tofu from becoming too oily. And drop the tofu one by one to avoid from sticking from each other. And remember not to overcrowd when frying to avoid a rapid decrease of your oil temperature that will result in a soggy finished product. Fry them until golden brown. Transfer the fried tofu into a plate with kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. And now, here are our perfectly fried tofu. Let's pour our prepared sauce over the tofu and top it with our chopped red onions. Spring onions, and chili. And this is it. This is ready to serve. Just mix everything well before eating. And that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell button for you to get notified of my upcoming videos. Happy cooking and see you next time.